So Sedona Mountain Bike Fest is the first event of the year. It's here in, obviously, Sedona, Arizona. We always get a little rain. Last year we got a lot of snow. We're getting a little light rain today and tomorrow, but it looks like it's gonna shape up to be perfect. So excited to get the booth set up, see everybody come out, get a chance to go ride. Snow and slush. Yeah.
XT tire.
Yeah.
What's up, XT tire?
Woo! Oh, just enough.
I had to slow it up. I kept behind you.
All right, this way.
Going this way?
You're gonna following you, right, Jesse? Okay. Got the giant group ride going. All going. All going somewhere. Trying to find dirt. Jesse's kind of leading us. We got Alan is sweet. Right now we're just on a traverse trail over to the good single track. So just making our way, not riding on road. And here's the little bike path that they got. There we go. And we're still climbing up, almost to the top. All the way to Allen. It's way back here with the sweeping it up. Shoo!
Oh, bad bike. Thanks.
Robin. Excuse us. I think that's a drop. Ooh, that's a good one. All right, let's take a little brief stop, a little regroup. Time for some more Grand Central shredding. Ooh, loose corners finally. Keep going straight. All right, some speed. Oh yeah. Whoop. Pull up hills. Whoop. That's sick.